What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Cat certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. Today, I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account suspension for Circumventing system. But the interesting thing about this is that the first of all, the ads were being disapproved for misrepresentation, and I'm glad that we were able to recover the account for misleading representation. And then suddenly, what we saw that our account was suspended for Circumventing system, which was a great sad move for our client, and also very sad mood for us. So I'm gonna first of all show you, okay, over here as well. Then I can show you on what happened exactly. You can see over here, if I move you to the policy manager of this account, you can see that also we do not have any issues right now because we got it restored. But if I move over here, you can see it, that the account has misleading representation and the both of the policies were failed. So first of all, what we did was we did a misleading representation issue solved manually through the Google support team. Just in case to let you know that we are a Google partner company, have a dedicated support channel. So we got it restored. Then the ad started running, but the next day, what we saw was that the account is being suspended for circumventing system. Now that was a very sad moment for us, and as well as for our client, and that is how we were very concerned. So what we did a detailed recheck-up of the website on where we are lacking. So what we did was we did a detailed audit of the website. There were few things which we thought that could be improved. So for instance, we suggested some adding business timings, social media links, dialing code before so people can call, disclaimer. We checked every page, even the contact us form, header, footer pages. We looked at the Google Map location. We even matched the Google Map location address with the website. We looked at the Google Map. We looked thoroughly on the Google Ads account. We did on the product review pages. We checked the favicon, which is some malware issues. We found some, and then we got them sorted as well. Then we manually checked the contact us page. Is it working well or not? We suggested adding social media icons for authenticity. We also recommended some trust on social media pages, so we suggested those things as well. Then we that the about us page was missing interlinking with other pages. We also suggested those as well. Then the email check. Then we had some plagiarism issues where we found that 67% content has plagiarized, and we feel that plagiarism also is one of the reasons for account suspension. So we sorted out. We discussed on other pages as well, and then on the parallel we were in discussion with Google as well on account suspension. Even I can show you, like, one of the emails. You can see over here we are opening various emails, multiple staff, multiple communication channels opening on to get the issue sorted. And then that we even, there was a time when even Google stopped us, even to send further mails. So but that we were constantly in touch with our dedicated manager to get it restored or tell us where we are lacking. On our part, we were covering out the issues, but still we were discussing with Google on if are we lagging on any issues, just let us know and we are going to make it correct. So we were having two channels over here. So thanks for our client who was cautious, supporting, and helpful. And then after a few days, you had to wait, because it was automatic in nature and we had to get it manually restored. So it was something we did. So then suddenly we got an email from Google. This was our, we have some good news for you. And if I scroll you, our team has reviewed your account based on your detailed appeal, and we are happy to let you know that it has been reactivated. You can use it to advertise again. Thank you for waiting while we reviewed the appeal, and we are sorry if this caused any disruption. Yes, because it took us time, and the client was also very cautious because they, when you're running a business, you have a support and everyone, being dependent, and your costs are rising up, and are not getting leads or conversions, and that is how everything is going down. So this was very winning moment for us. And then you can see over here that if I move you into the notifications tab, you can see that account is unsuspended. Even I can do a fresh refresh in front of you guys to show you about this. So while it's being refreshed, just let me tell you guys that in case if you are looking for a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup, management, Google Ads approvals, Google Ads campaign setup, Google Ads optimization, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to help you to create an awesome, amazing Google Ads campaign which can generate amazing results for your business. So you can see that the account is refreshed in front of you guys. I'm just closing it. and now I can see the notifications, and you can see that your account is unsuspended, your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run. The account was suspended for circumventing system, but first of all, it was for misleading representation. Then we got the misleading representation issue solved with ads disapproval. Then the account went into circumventing system suspension, and then we are happy that we got to short both of the things. So in case if you are looking for professional help, do hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and but still, in case if you have any question left, you are the more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.